Are you tired of dealing with clogged drains? Worried about using harsh chemicals? Well, worry no more. In this video, we'll show you how to clean your drains using two common household ingredients, baking soda and vinegar. Get ready to say goodbye to clogs and hello to a more natural and eco-friendly solution. Cleaning drains with baking soda and vinegar is a simple, yet highly effective method that has been used for generations. Not only does it clear clogs, but it also helps prevent future blockages. So, let's dive right in and discover how these two ingredients work together to keep your drains flowing smoothly. Step 1. Gather your supplies. You'll need baking soda, vinegar, a measuring cup, a funnel, and a kettle of hot water. Make sure to have these items on hand before you begin. Step 2. Remove any visible debris from the drain. This will help ensure the effectiveness of the baking soda and vinegar mixture. Step 3. Pour half a cup of baking soda directly into the drain. Baking soda is a powerful cleaner and deodorizer that will help break down the clog. Step 4. Pour half a cup of vinegar into the drain. The combination of baking soda and vinegar creates a fizzy reaction that helps dislodge the clog and clear the drain. Step 5. Let the mixture sit for about 15 minutes. During this time, the fizzing action will break down the clog and start clearing the drain. Step 6. Boil some water and carefully pour it down the drain. The hot water will help flush away any remaining residue and ensure the drain is completely clear. Step 7. Repeat the process if necessary. For stubborn clogs, you may need to repeat the baking soda and vinegar treatment a few times to fully clear the drain. Now that your drain is clean, it's important to perform regular maintenance to prevent future clogs. Every few weeks, pour a cup of baking soda followed by a cup of vinegar down the drain. Let it sit for 15 minutes and then flush with hot water. This routine will help keep your drains clean and odor-free. Congratulations! You've learned how to clean drains using baking soda and vinegar. This natural and cost-effective method is not only gentle on your pipes but also better for the environment. So, the next time you encounter a clogged drain, remember to reach for the baking soda and vinegar instead of harmful chemicals. Thank you for watching, and happy drain cleaning!